Water is a foundation's #1 enemy. With threatening storms, leaking gutters, and poorly sloped landscaping, basements become a wet, nasty mess. It's time to fight back with the Guardian 2.0 interior waterproofing system. Guardian collects water seepage right where it occurs, at the perimeter of the basement. A permanent, smarter, not harder solution Guardian installs with minimal disruption to the home, quickly relieving water and soil pressure, creating a free-flowing channel. Guardian sump drop fittings transition water from the drain system to the sump system for rapid removal. Quarter fittings come complete with optional inspection ports that can be utilized to maintain the system. Guardian 2.0 is proven to stop the drips, drops, and dampness that destroy your foundation, so you can safely turn any basement into usable space. Order Guardian 2.0 only at Nash.